Top of the morning, fam. New day, getting to a new dollar, y'all. Got up mad early. Got on Facebook Marketplace, posted some shit. Check my Facebook ads. If you don't know, when you post a Facebook ads, it also goes to Instagram. So I checked on those ads, and I'm gonna start creating a new one here pretty soon, because the other ones right here, as you see, they are inactive. So they did all right, but I definitely want to come up with some new concepts and new ideas. As you see right here, this is the newest one that I have going. I'll probably keep this one going for a while and just change the demographics and the audience that it goes to, and the analytics and all of that. I'll watch the analytics and shit too. Yeah. Yelp ads, I don't really do the Yelp ads right now. Maybe I'll pick back up on that later, but that shit was just seeming like costing me too much money, and I don't know, adding too much to my plate at one time. So I decided to just stick with what I know and what, the platform that I can really stay the most active on, and that is Facebook, Instagram ads. On top of that, I am getting my business from Yelp though. I'm putting in a lot of different leads, or they're giving different leads for people that need work, and I'm able to go in there and put in, how much I do the jobs for, and if people want to do it, fuck with me, they will. For instance, this lady this morning, on my way to her house to pick up a headboard, footboard, and the rails associated with it. Easy peasy. So that's what I'm on this morning, y'all. Quick flat fee. My flat fee is always different depending on where I am, where I gotta go, and all of that. But yeah, this is just a little flat fee, and it's quick, simple, and already putting a dent in my daily goals. So thanks for rocking with me. Yeah, it's early in the day, so come along. Yo, check it out, G. I ain't even left the parking lot yet, and somebody else that I gave a bid to yesterday hit me up asking when I could be out there to pick it up. So that's what I'm on, y'all. That's how we starting off the day today. It's a beautiful morning. Getting to these dollars mad early. Seems like it's gonna be a nice day. Still kind of chilly out, even though you can't tell by looking at that cat. But yeah, this first pickup is like 3 miles away, G. I'm getting top dollars. You taking up room in the truck, you gotta pay me a little bit of dough, and I ain't busting heads neither, you know what I mean? I'm just doing a little something, make it feasible for everybody. It is working, you know what I mean? Helping out the people, helping myself out, all that. What was you on? So, let me get to it, y'all. Worth of work, y'all, and that's with introduction, seeing how to get out, where I need to be, walking back and forth twice. She said this is she's gonna pass my information on to the HOA because they be needing these services. They need these services from time to time, so man, that'd be love if I can get that nice little hookup right there. Start the business off right, you feel me? Anyway, get up with y'all later. Let me holler back at this other guy. Yeah, so he added something to the original order, so I may have to go up on price. And I think he wants me to come down, so this is gonna be interesting. Negotiation time. Peace. Alright, so I just left that customer's house, stopped at the gas station to get gas, and before go straight.
Continue on Massachusetts Avenue for half a mile.
Before I can even ask her, or shit, should I say, let me correct myself. I forgot to ask her to give me a Yelp review, but she did anyway. I just got the alert right now. It looks to be a good one. Hopefully it is. I gave some timely service, you know what I mean? It was cool. She gave her the car. She seemed appreciative. So I have no reason to believe that it ain't gonna be a good review. So I checked that out.
To Violet Street.
And let me go ahead and hook this trailer up and get to this next job. It's a little bit more stuff that I'm trying to finagle in the back of my truck. So plus I don't want to have to do the job twice. Like, put it on my truck and then bring it to the trailer and put it on the trailer type shit. Like try and do it all in one pop. You know what I mean? Leave it on this bed. That's the plan, Stan. Let me get hooked up, y'all, in a minute. Alright, y'all. On my way to this second job. Got the trailer hooked up. AKA Suge. Money maker, you feel me? But
turn right onto the
got her hooked up, about to go to his next job. And as I'm hooking up, I'm looking through my little rear view camera right here. And you know, it's got like all the arrows and shit to back me straight up to the motherfucking trailer, make that shit easy. So I'm doing that, but it's hard to see because why? Because I still got the fucking sticker on this motherfucker. So I guess now's the time to start taking this motherfucker off. What y'all think? Yeah, shit, I'm finna make my second payment on the truck like any day now. I think it's due in a couple days, so I'll probably pay it today or tomorrow or something. But yeah, I just thought that was funny. Like, why can't I see this motherfucker? I'm like, oh, it's the fucking sticker I got on this bitch. Oh, Mr. Lovemaker. Mr. Lovemaker is calling me now. Well, well, well. I had a job for you to make some money and shit. Mr. Lovemaker. Let me go ahead and take this phone call. I'll get with y'all in a little bit.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Ironwood Road.
Alright, just pulled up to the customer's house. Go ahead and get this shit set up and ready to go, baby. I'm out here doing the last of the strapping and bungee and shit. And there's some bungees over there. And that's not hooked up. Yeah, I'll finish this up, baby, and we up out of here. Like I said again, thanks for watching the journey, y'all. I appreciate it. Out here getting to this hustle, baby. Let's try like that. Let's try like that. I kind of put it in a 90 degree like that. Go through the middle here that way. Through the front. And then back over the top. You see how it's kind of rounded up there. You know what I mean? Just easy sliding. Slide it through. Bam. Hook your jump. bad boy so it don't fly up. And we up out of here, y'all. Thanks for watching.